Yep, guys, it's that time. We had to call Genesis, and well, I'll explain to you. First off, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Hope you're having a good day. If not, can't help you. But today's video, well, I've been trying to do this for a very, very long time here with Genesis Detailing over here, and what I want to do, the main thing, there's a lot of what I want to do, obviously, to the trailer, and I'm just doing it and getting it done slowly but surely. But here's the main thing that I wanted to get done right over here. So, as you guys know, the caps on these things, you can actually do something with them. You know, they have of course, this is a sticker, but it's not, you know, just like a piece of like wood. You know, like this, I don't know if you can do anything to this. Honestly, I mean, I don't know if it's just fiberglass with some plyboard.
Polish it.
I don't think, can you polish it? We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it, guys.
Is
I personally don't think you can.
That way is the almost nearly impossible part. You'll spend a lot of money paying someone to buff it out, do a proper paint correction, but in a couple months you can go right back to the way it is.
There you go. So this is like a gel coat, yes, I would assume,
so
and
like a boat. Yeah,
like a boat, and it's got some shine to it. Like it's this thing's got some potential to it. So I've tried buffing. I just gave up. I'm not in the detailing business. So I called Genesis. Said, dude, come get this thing shiny. And here's another thing. There's like this stuff that's like dripping, that whatever this is, and I don't even know if he'll be able to get it off, but it just will not come off. This is like etched or stuck in here. So what I'm gonna have Genesis do is pretty much just do the cap at least, you know, because what I want to do also is I want to get this thing clear brought, you know, to protect it from, as you know, this is the bugs, the splatter, you know, whatever.
This thing takes all the abuse.
Yeah, this takes all the abuse from the truck, everything. So I want to try to protect this as much as I can and see how shiny and clean he can get it. And once it's, you know, pretty much flawless, get this thing wrapped, you know, clear brought. Also, like, look at this. There is like yellow. Yeah, it's like yellowing over here, and I don't even know how. Like, I have no idea. So let's see what Genesis can do on this. Stay tuned. But right now, we just gave her a quick little bath, and that's about it. Waiting for my snap pads for these things. I'll do a video for you guys on that, and explain to you, you know, why I got them and why I ordered them and why I got the ones that I got. All right, guys. Well, I'll wait till he gets closer and show you like a before and after. Can't really see what's going on up there, but he says it's looking good. It's working, so we'll wait and see. Okay, guys, so Genesis has done, you can see, not this side, so look at this. I don't know if the camera will pick this up so you guys sort of see how dull it is right there. Check this side out. Bam. Ooh, baby.
Oh,
it's starting to look good. Look at that. Got the yellow. Look at all that yellow's gone.
Little test spot from here to here.
Yeah, look at that. See this yellow? Look at that. I don't know where that yellow comes from, but oh yeah, can't wait to see this thing all done. Well, guys, we had to
like me working out on the concrete and wanted me to be on balance on 3 minutes and shit.
we had to move. I don't know what's up with this California weather. It started raining, and usually we only get rain like once every 38 years. So I'm not sure. Of course, the time where Nick's gotta, you know, do his work. Well, and literally it was like started pouring on us, and then we're like rushing, hurry up. Like I look at the weather, I'm like, all right, it's only getting worse. And then I come back out here, and it's stopped, and it's dry. But it says at like 6:30, it's gonna start like pouring and thunderstorms. So
welcome to Alpine, California.
Well, we'll see. Or we just pulled it in here so he can finish this job. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can see this, but look at this. Oh yeah, there you go. I can see it good now. No, right there, right there. Gotcha. I can see it. Look at that, guys. See that? That's one pass right there. Look at the difference. And he wiped this clean. Look at that. This thing is going to be flawless. Wow. So he did this, and he noticed there was, I don't know what happened, but it looked like it was like puking the paint, or puking the wax out of the paint. So he's still going with a different compound now and a different pad, and trying another step. It's kind of working, you see here, but he said there's a little flaw, a little more flaws that he's got to get out. So we're pretty much using this as like a test, and then who knows how long this is gonna take, but it's coming out much better now that where's this water coming from? Or
I
is
couldn't tell you anymore.
is that just what was
I think
been
it's from the
sitting?
top, just dripping.
All right, we gotta wipe that down. All right, we'll get up there, wipe it all down. All right, guys, so we're up top. I found a little problem. It's raining. Look at these leaks. Look at it. Got a leak there. You got a leak there. Oh, and one right there. Now you're probably thinking, well, Eddie, you know, why don't you caulk and seal, whatever, yada yada. Well, we did the top. Huh? Flux seal. Well, we did the top, and you know, like I said, I'm gonna insulate this. I'm gonna do all this, but I'm waiting for these companies to stop wanting to charge $1 million for everything that goes on. So right now, we're just gonna try Flex Seal and see if it really works. You know, the guy even says it even works underwater. Well, I mean, we're not underwater, but we got a leak right there. Look at that. That's just dripping right on the trailer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just spray this in, and well, see what happens. Oh, by the way, yeah, that Flex Seal even works underwater. That shit don't work. It like, so it comes out like gooey, but it comes out thick. Maybe if it was,
You messed up all my work, let's just say that way.
oh yeah, I did do overspray all over the top, so now he's gotta redo it. I feel bad. But I think if it was dry, maybe it would work. But right now, yeah, this Flex Seal.
What's the point if it's dry? What are you sealing if it's dry?
Well, for when next time it rains. I just need to get them to come spray this insulation and get this done. Just anybody out there know of any like good spray insulators that don't charge?
Because I don't know how to clear coat a
$7,000. What?
Clear coat toy haulers?
Clear coat a toy hauler? That'd be nice. I don't know. Anybody out there, if you know how to clear coat a toy hauler, holler at us. We got 2 jobs. Mine and, well, what are you going to do with yours?
I just like to mess with mine. I like to sell it, you know, make it nicer.
All right. He wants to get it get it nice and then sell it, guys. I don't know. But this thing turned out flawless, like amazing. I mean, look at this thing. The shine. I mean, hey, hello. Usually you can never see yourself. That's insane. Gotta say.
Boss, it is leaking on here now.
It's leaking still? All right, well, it does not even work if it's watered. That shit sucks. Dang, guys, look at that. After, what, 2 hours? How long's it been?
2?
No?
Nah, I think
An hour?
7:30. What time I get here?
What time did you get here?
No, I got here like 2.
No.
I got here at 2. It hasn't been 5 hours. It's been a while, like probably 3-4 hours. You seem done. 3 hours. It's called.
Call it 3.
3
I call it 3 hours because we were
But-
moving it and
Yeah,
you're on your
we have a rain delay.
phone. Yeah,
Yeah,
that
rain
don't
delay.
count. So I would say a good solid 2.5, 3 hours, guys. And finally, it's done. Now, he also didn't really know like the steps. So if you want yours done, I'm sure it'd be much faster because
Yeah.
now you know what to do. So what were the steps of doing this and how many times did you
So
have to
gel
cut?
coat, because it's so porous, is very hard to work with. You have to load it up with product. You have to really let it absorb your product for the first step. So I did like a 4-step process of polishing on this thing to get it back to the way it is. And I call this better than new, obviously, since you bought it at
10 times better than new.
So, first step, what I did was a bulk pass. Just super high speed, rubbed it out, got all that dirt out of that gel coat. Then it clogged the pad, of course. I switched pads, went to a second step. That left some haze behind, so I did a third step. Just to remove that haze, and I did one little final like jeweling step to bring it back to what this is. And obviously, we had to keep it protected, right? So we did one thick coat of wax. I know you guys will say, why don't you ceramic coat it? Well, for this exact reason, because it's so porous, it absorbed that first coat of wax, right? That's what we wanted. We want to fill it in, clog those pores on this thing so it prevents it from oxidizing. Then we did another coat of wax, then we used some spray coating, and hopefully we get the same PPF anyways, right?
Yeah, I am
So,
gonna get it all wrapped.
There'd be no point in us ceramic coating it. He's born to PPF this thing really fast.
So
Before season at least.
yeah, if I wasn't gonna get this clear broad, guys,
Probably do 2-3 layers of coating.
yeah, exactly. I'd have them load this thing up, you know, the wax and ceramic and everything. But you know, ceramic is good. I mean, and I'm not gonna talk bad about it. My whole entire truck is ceramic coated, but also my whole front end of the truck is clear broad. So ceramic's not gonna stop, you know, the rocks, yeah, the grime, all the harsh, the beating, you know, that's gonna
For
come
example,
and just bam.
you would PPF the front end, but you'd ceramic coat the rest of it. If that makes sense, like the side panels. Because those aren't taking as much as abuse as like physical abuse.
Yeah, I mean, this is
Take
behind,
abuse.
yeah, it's behind my tire. I mean, stuff is just smacking it, the bug. I mean, he has to still do the AC units because even the AC units up top, so
I don't know about that one, then.
those AC units, and I think you need to protect them. And here's why. I mean, some of you guys probably don't care, but for me, the air conditioning units up there, when a bug hits it, and then, what is it?
They take a lot of abuse.
Yeah, you'd be surprised how much abuse those AC units take. But this guy saw something
Get him, Everett.
and he's going after it.
Get him, Everett.
But those AC units, when I get up there, when I wash it, and you know, you get all the bugs off, you still see the outline like of the bug. The bug comes off.
Bug etching is a
But-
big thing.
yeah,
That's what
but-
ceramic coatings prevent.
But the bug is still there.
It's a shadow.
You know, and
It left
I don't
its soul
know.
behind.
Yeah, his soul. It's still up there in the AC. So all of the AC unit up there, you still see all the bugs. So that's driving me nuts. I gotta get that clean and spotless. All right, guys. Now it's the next day. We gotta pull out Nick's. Now he wants to get his all shiny, his toy hauler. I don't know if you guys ever saw it. Some of you guys have, but he keeps it right behind this garage, right over here. But we got to get all this stuff ready because we are getting ready to head out to Campland. Hey, it's a little bright. Head out to Campland, so we got to get the stuff ready. I'm actually going to install these snap pads that just came for the Ding Ding. But other than that, yeah, it turned out amazing, guys. It's shiny. He's gonna come back. By the time you see this, he'll already be done, or he'll already be here. But he's got to come back and do the, like I said, the AC units up top. Other than that, guys, that's it. She's all done, ready to go. So make sure you hit that like button if you like this video, and don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.